Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to share with you all a new chapter, that is physical and chemical changes in chemistry. So starting the video, first we have to know that what is change. Okay, so what is change? Change is an integral part of a nature. Okay, or the change is the basic part of the nature. Fine, in easy way you can say like this: the change is the basic part of a nature. Now they take place every moment around us. Changes take place every moment around us. For example, like melting of ice. Okay, melting of ice, growing of seed into a sapling, and that sapling turn into a plant, yellowing of leaves, growing of baby into an adult. Okay, so these are some changes. Okay, now some of the changes, like formation means जो change बनते हैं. For example, like curd from milk, curd from milk, okay, rolling of chapati, burning of paper. So these are the changes like formation. Now let us discuss the classification of changes. Classification of changes. So the changes are classified in many ways. These are as follows. First one is fast and slow change. Second one is desirable and undesirable changes. Third one is periodic and non-periodic changes. Fourth one is reversible and irreversible changes. And fifth one is a physical and chemical changes. Now let us discuss in detail wise that what is fast and slow change, desirable and undesirable changes, periodic and non-periodic changes, reversible and irreversible changes, and at last physical and chemical changes. Now let us discuss that what is fast and slow changes. Okay, fast and slow changes. So now the all changes take some time to occur. Okay, some of the changes are occur in short time, while some of the changes are occur in a long period of time. Fine, now the changes which are occur in a few seconds or minutes, so these are called fast changes. For example, like lightning of matchstick, burning of paper. जब आप मैच स्टिक को जलाते हो तो बहुत ज़्यादा होगा, तो 2 से 3 सेकेंड लेगी वो जलने में. ठीक है, तो ये एक फ्यू सेकेंड में जल जाती है. सो ये क्विक चेंज है. ओके, सो लाइटनिंग ऑफ मैच स्टिक इज़ फास्ट चेंज. बर्निंग ऑफ पेपर, जब पेपर जलाते हो कितनी जल्दी, बहुत ज़्यादा फ्यू सेकेंड में जल जाता है पेपर. सो दैट इज़ अ फास्ट चेंज. Now what is slow change? Changes which are occur in hours, days, months or even years, so they are taking a long period of time to occur. Okay, such changes are known as slow changes. For example, like rusting of iron, yellowing of leaves. आप देखते होगे कि leaves बहुत दिनों या बहुत सालों बाद yellow होती हैं. ठीक है, so this is a slow change. Now let us discuss that what is desirable and undesirable changes. Okay, desirable and undesirable changes. Changes that are useful to us are called desirable changes. Fine. For example, like cooking of food. Food is necessary for our survival, so the cooking of food is also useful for us. Fine, so cooking of food is desirable change. Like ripening of fruits. Fine, now let us discuss that what is undesirable changes. Changes which are harmful for us are called undesirable changes. For example, rotting of vegetables, earthquake, floods. Earthquake is harmful for us, floods also harmful for us, rotting of vegetable is also harmful for us, burning of petrol is also harmful for us. So these are come under the category of undesirable changes. Fine, so this is all about the desirable and undesirable changes. Now let us discuss that what is periodic and non-periodic changes. Okay, periodic and non-periodic changes. Fine. Now what is periodic changes? The changes which repeats itself after a fixed time is called periodic change. For example, like changes in season, okay, sunrise and sunset, pendulum of a clock. So these are the periodic change. Now let us take example of changes in season. Okay. ओके सो हमें ये तो पता होता है कि हर फिक्स्ड टाइम पीरियड के बाद कोई ना कोई सीज़न आता है, लाइक समर, स्प्रिंग, ऑटम, रेनी सीज़न, विंटर सीज़न. तो ये अपने एक फिक्स टाइम पे रिपीट होते हैं. फाइन. ये जो सीजन्स होते हैं अपने फिक्स टाइम पे रिपीट होते हैं. सो इट इज़ अ पीरियोडिक चेंज. नाउ लेट अस टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ सनराइज एंड सनसेट. Okay, so every day the time period of between sunrise and sunset is same. Fine, because we know that after the sunrise sunset will be there, so it is a fixed so it is a fixed time. So the sunrise and sunset is a periodic change because we know that it repeat itself after a fixed time is called periodic change. Now I'll just discuss that what is non-periodic change. Okay, the change which repeats itself at irregular intervals of time is called non-periodic change. For example, changes in weather. Okay, here the difference is the change in season is a periodic change and in the weather it is a non-periodic change. Now how? तो जो हमारा नॉन पीरियोडिक चेंज होता है ये एक ऐसा चेंज होता है जो पीरियोडिक चेंज से बिल्कुल अपोजिट होता है. बिकॉज जब ये इसका कोई एक फिक्स्ड टाइम नहीं रहता है, ये कभी भी होता है इर्रेगुलर इंटरवल्स ऑफ टाइम. तो कभी आप लोग वेदर में देखते होंगे, कभी धूप निकलती है और कभी नहीं निकलती, कभी बारिश होती है कभी नहीं होती है. सो दिस इज़ अ इर्रेगुलर इंटरवल्स ऑफ टाइम. अ चेंज विच रिपीट्स इटसेल्फ एट अ इर्रेगुलर इंटरवल्स ऑफ टाइम इज कॉल्ड अ नॉन पीरियोडिक चेंज. हमें पता होता है अर्थक्वेक कब आता है? नो वी डोंट नो. वी नो व्हेन फ्लड विल कम? नो वी डोंट नो. सो ये इर्रेगुलर इंटरवल्स ऑफ टाइम, तो ये हमारा है नॉन पीरियोडिक चेंज. ओके, नाउ let us discuss that what is reversible and irreversible changes. Reversible change. Reversible change can be undone or reversed. Okay, रिवर्सिबल चेंज ऐसे चेंज होते हैं जो कि दोबारा होते हैं, और आप कह सकते हो ऐसे चेंज होते हैं जो रिवर्स हो जाते हैं. और इरिवर्सिबल चेंजेस ऐसे चेंज होते हैं जो रिवर्स नहीं होते हैं, ये दोबारा नहीं हो पाते, नहीं हो सकते. एन इरिवर्सिबल चेंज कैन नॉट बी अनडन और रिवर्स्ड. नाउ सेकेंड पॉइंट इज देयर अ रिवर्सिबल चेंज इज अ टेम्परेरी चेंज. ये टेम्परेरी चेंज होते हैं. ये टेम्परेरी चेंज होते हैं और इरिवर्सिबल चेंज होते हैं परमानेंट चेंज. For example, like dissolving, melting, folding of paper, etc. So these are come under the category of reversible change. And irreversible change like mixing, burning, baking, heating, cooking, etc. So these come under the category of irreversible changes. Now, okay, so as we all know that change are the fundamental basic of nature and they are classified into two main changes. First one is a physical change and second one is a chemical change. Now what is physical change? A change in which substance undergoes a change in shape, size or state is called physical change. Now the properties such as size, shape, color, so these are the properties, and physical state of a substance are called a physical property. So these are the physical properties. Now what is physical change in easy language? In physical change, there is a no new substance is formed. Most of the physical changes are reversible. In physical change, there is a no new substance are formed. कोई भी नया substance form नहीं होता है. For example, melting of ice. Okay, so this is a physical change. Stretching a rubber band. Now let us take example of stretching a rubber band. Okay, now take a rubber band and stretch it. Okay, do you observe a change in its size and shape? Now release the spring gently. Now observe its size and shape again. Is it same as before? Was any new substance formed when you stretch and release the spring? No, no new substance is formed on stretching or releasing the rubber band. The change is a temporary or reversible. Okay, so this is a physical change. Okay, chemical changes in which new substance is formed and it cannot be reversed. केमिकल चेंजेस में नए सब्सटेंस फॉर्म होते हैं. ओके, इट कैन नॉट बी रिवर्स और यू कैन से इट इज़ अ इरिवर्सिबल. अ केमिकल रिएक्शन इज यूजुअली accompanied by change in color of reactants, evolution of gases, formation of precipitate, and the absorption of evolution of heat energy. Okay, सो एग्जाम्पल इज़ अ बर्निंग ऑफ पेपर. आपने एक पेपर लिया और उसको आपने बर्न किया. ओके, तो वो बर्न हो गया तो वो एशेज़ में कन्वर्ट हो गया. फाइन, तो क्या आप एशेज़ से फिर से क्या उसे पेपर बना सकते हो? नो. ओके, सो इट इज़ अ इरिवर्सिबल चेंज. सो द बर्निंग ऑफ पेपर इज़ अ एग्जाम्पल ऑफ केमिकल चेंज. नाउ नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज़ कुकिंग ऑफ फूड. Rusting of iron, spoilage of food. So these are come under the category of chemical change. Now let us differentiate between physical and chemical changes. Physical changes, there is a no new substance is formed in physical change. Okay, and in chemical change, a new substance is formed in a chemical change. Most of the physical changes are reversible, as I have told you, and most of the chemical changes are irreversible. A physical change is usually accompanied by in shape, size, color or state, and in chemical change it is usually accompanied by release or absorption of heat or light, evolution of gas, productions of sound, or change in a smell. Most of the physical changes are temporary, and most of the chemical changes are permanent. Physical changes, some examples of physical changes like dissolving salt in water, inflating of balloon, melting of wax, melting of ice. So these are come under the category of physical change. Now what in case of chemical change, some examples like rusting of iron, spoilage of food, cooking of food, burning of substance, as I have told you. So these are come under the category of chemical change. So that's all about today's video session. Until then, stay tuned for my next video update. Thanks for watching.